Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Arthur with Vlogs. So today is the day we are going to Hampi and I am very much excited as it is of 3 nights and 4 days. And first of all I want to thank my mother and my father for supporting me and giving faith and belief on me to fulfill my dreams and my passion to take my bike and travel places. So thank you mom and dad, and without wasting any time, let's go to the Shell petrol bunk. The bag has been packed and buckled up at the pillion seat. So let's go. Here we are at Koppal and we had some session over here. Sri Krishna Veg. So one more hour to go. Let's go. Welcome to Hampi guys. Check out entering Hampi and you see an ancient old temple here. Isn't that amazing? Yes. You'll get to see much more content in the next week as I'm going to do a detailed review on all the temples, all the famous temples available here in Hampi and Hospital. So on this happiness, make sure to hit like and do subscribe.
A few moments later.
Here is our homestay. So friends, now we are going to Queen's Bath Palace, a place where Queen used to bath. So you can see here on the way you can find many stones, the historical ones. So friends, here we are at the Queen's Bath Palace, Hampi. So this is gonna be the first vlog you're gonna see. Just see how they have maintained the beauty of the nature over here. It's a very old place. This is a place where the water would come and would go straight through this pipe to the pool at 15th century. Just believe guys, Queen had a swimming pool in 15th century. Oh my god. And guys, you can see the holes over there, 4 holes. Actually they had created a tent by which in summer season the queens wouldn't feel any kind of heat. Friends, you can see behind me, this is all the Islamic architecture. Basically 5 Shahi Muslims at the time of 1565 ruled over this place. So was built in 1565 and this is Islamic architecture. So guys, you can see these vents, these were there so that cold air would come inside, as there was no hair dryer at that time, no machines. So the queens used these kind of vents. So we had our lunch now. It was good. Pink Mango restaurant. It's opposite to Archaeological Museum in Hampi. So let's go now and travel the places and show it to you guys. Let's go!